want to make a PowerPoint presentation loop. So what you have to do, you have to go to slide. If you are in home here, go to slideshow, please. And please now select setup slideshow, and now please disable hardware graphic isolation if you don't want to your presentation to lag. Now depends on your computer specification, but anyhow, now what you want to do here is to select loop continuously until ESC. So until you press the keyboard key is key. So now what you have to do just to select loop continuously until. So just select this and click on OK. Now if you click on this button here, slideshow, or you press F5, now you can loop. So if you press F5, you can just select, and this will loop, this will loop, this will loop, it loops, it loops, it loops, so it works without any problems. And I showed you how to create a loop in your PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you found this helpful. So make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I would really appreciate that. And if you have more questions or problems that you're facing in PowerPoint, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll help you fix that problem. So I'll see you now in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, leave your comments down below, and tell me where you're from. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe for more, and if you have questions in relation to PowerPoint problems that you're facing, leave your questions down below. Thank you for watching, and take care.